go-kart drivers race around a track. One time around the track is called a lap. The first time you drive on a new track, it is always a good idea to drive the first lap a bit slowly. You can get yourself familiar with the different curves and turns of the track. As you get more comfortable with the track, then you can speed up and drive faster. Along the track, there will be different signs and lights to tell you to slow down or go faster. Be very careful when you drive and don't run into other drivers. This is go-kart racing, not bumper cars.
I win!
What are you talking about?
I won this race.
Okay, maybe you came in first, but we need to check the times.
What?
See, look, I got a minute 11.96.
My lap was a minute 11.88. I win!
Oh, no, we need to race again. I can't accept that.
Okay, but before we do that, let's say goodbye to our audience.
Oh, yeah. Friends, thanks for joining us for E-Report. I'm Peter, and this is James. All right, let's go race again.
See you. Let's do this.
Matt, I'm going to the supermarket after work. Do you want to come?
Okay, Susie. I have to buy some things too.
I need to buy some fresh produce.
The supermarket has lots of good produce.
I know. I plan to make a salad for the office party tomorrow.
I should make something too. Or maybe I'll just get something from the deli.
Don't bring deli food. You can cook something.
But I'm not a very good cook.
You can make a simple meat or seafood dish.
Such as?
Well, there are lots of easy chicken dishes. Some of them are very good.
Maybe.
Well, maybe you can get some ideas at the supermarket.
Maybe, but I'll still check out the deli food.
Hey, James, why is a supermarket called a supermarket?
Well, it's a market and it's super.
Well, that's true. A supermarket is a big place.
And a great place to shop. You can buy all kinds of food there.
Like bananas.
Yes, and other fresh produce such as carrots and pears.
And more bananas.
Yes, the supermarket has other things too.
Such as?
Meat and seafood. Oh, and don't forget the deli.
I love the deli.
Me too. You can get hot and cold food there.
And it's ready to eat too.
And the food is delicious at the deli.
Yeah, the supermarket is super.
Yeah. Let's go there now.
Yeah, let's do it.
What are you going to get?
What's on your shopping list, Taylor?
I need some beef and pork. I also need produce to make a salad. What's on your list?
I don't have one.
You didn't make a shopping list?
No, I don't need a shopping list. I just look around the store and buy what's on sale.
All right, but you waste money that way. You buy things that you don't need.
So let's go to the meat department first. Maybe I'll get some chicken.
Okay, then let's go to the produce department. I need lettuce.
Maybe I'll get some apples. Those are my favorite fruit.
I also need milk.
Me too. We can go to the dairy section.
And I need bread and a few other things.
Lead the way. I'll push the shopping cart.
Shopping at the supermarket is super fun!
Yes, we bought so much.
Yeah, we bought chicken and beef and pork, and we got that from the meat department.
Lettuce, apples, carrots from the produce department?
And bananas too.
Right. What did we get from the dairy section?
Milk, butter, and eggs. Oh, we forgot the ice cream.
Next time, let's make a shopping list.
So we don't forget anything.
No, so we don't buy too much.
Yeah, right.
Stephen is very busy. He's busy at his job, and he's busy at home. He plays video games at night. Sometimes he plays until after midnight. He has a big problem. He is tired every morning. He can't stay awake. So, he drinks a lot of caffeine. This week, Stephen has early meetings every morning. The meetings are very important. His friend Mark is worried. Mark sees Stephen at his desk. He touches Stephen's shoulder.
Stephen, are you asleep?
Asks Mark.
Wake up.
Stephen looks up.
What time is it?
He asks.
It is 8:30. You have a meeting soon,
says Mark.
No problem. I can drink an energy drink,
Stephen replies.
You drink too much caffeine. Are you staying up late every night?
Asks Mark.
Well, yes, I play video games every night,
answers Stephen.
That's a bad habit. You have to sleep more,
says Mark.
I'm okay,
answers Stephen.
I like my games. I win a lot too.
But you have meetings every morning this week,
says Mark.
I can drink more caffeine,
answers Stephen.
Sleep is important,
replies Mark.
You can't drink energy drinks every day.
Sure I can. I do it all the time,
says Stephen. Who knows best?
Ginger. Hey, Ginger. Wake up.
Oh, what time is it?
It's time for chit chat. Are you ready to talk?
No, I'm ready to sleep. Oh.
Why are you sleepy? Ginger? Did you stay up late playing video games again?
Well, yes, but...
And now you're sleepy. But we have a lot to do today.
Well, maybe, I know, I'll have an energy drink.
No, those have caffeine.
And caffeine can make me wake up.
But drinking caffeine can be bad for you.
Oh no! So, what should I do?
Take a nap.
Really? Yay!
And next time, go to bed earlier.
Hi, Matt. What are you looking at?
I'm looking at a map of the Natural History Museum.
Why? Are you going there?
Yes, there is a spider exhibit.
Interesting. Where is the exhibit?
I don't know. So I'm looking at the map. Oh, here it is.
I see it. It's in the north part of the museum.
I have another question for you.
What?
Do you go to Nelson's department store very often?
No, why?
I need a new hat. Do they have a hat department?
I think so. It's by the south door of the store. Or maybe it's by the east door.
It's okay. I can look at a map at the store.
Ginger, what are you doing?
I'm looking at a map.
Oh, are you looking for a country? Italy, France, America?
No.
Are you looking for a famous city? Like Rome, Paris, or New York?
No. I'm looking for the toy department.
The toy department?
Yes.
What kind of map is that?
It's a map of the department store.
Oh, right. There are all kinds of maps.
Yes, museums have maps too, so you can find the exhibits.
But you want to find the toy department.
Yes. Now, is it north, south, east, or west?
I don't know. Let's look at the map. Here, let me help you.
Oh, there it is. I love toys.
Good morning, Tina. May I ask you a question?
Sure, James.
Where is the coffee pot? I'm meeting a friend there.
The coffee shop? It's not far from here.
So I can walk there?
Yes. You can probably get there in 5 minutes.
How do I get there?
Go out the office door and turn right.
Okay, then what?
Walk straight ahead for 4 blocks. When you get to Cook Street, turn left.
Is the coffee pot on Cook Street?
Yes. Walk straight down Cook Street. The coffee pot is half a block from the next corner.
On which side of the street?
On the left side. It's a nice place, and the coffee is great.
Hey, James, what are you doing?
I'm looking at maps.
Where? I don't see any maps.
My maps are on my cell phone. I'm using the GPS.
Oh, that's probably easier than using paper maps.
Yes, it's very easy. I just type in where I want to go.
And then?
Oh no, my cell phone just ran out of battery.
Oh no, you'll probably have to ask for directions.
You're probably right.
So, where do you want to go?
The coffee pot.
Wait, did you ask for directions already?
Yes, but I already forgot.
Ha! Well, next time, write them down.
Next time, I'll charge my cell phone.
Right.
It sure is a nice day, but look at those people smoking. That's too bad.
Yes, smoking is a bad habit. But some people smoke e-cigarettes because they think those are better.
No, they're not. They still put nicotine into your body. That can be a bad chemical.
True. Once you start putting it in your body, stopping is hard.
That's right.
How do e-cigarettes work?
E-cigarettes heat a liquid. The liquid turns into a vapor. People breathe that.
Is nicotine in the liquid?
Yes, most of the liquid has nicotine, flavoring, and other chemicals in it.
Is there a lot of nicotine in the liquid?
Yes, a small bottle of the liquid has the same amount of nicotine as 200 regular cigarettes.
That's bad.
Hey, James, what do you think about smoking?
Smoking is not a healthy habit.
So smoking is bad for you?
Yes, so some people try e-cigarettes.
What's that?
Electronic cigarettes. People think they are safe.
Are they safe?
No, they still put nicotine into your body.
Nicotine?
Yes, nicotine is a dangerous chemical.
Ew, that's awful.
It sure is. Too much nicotine can kill you.
Oh no!
And once you start using it, it's hard to stop.
Well, I will never start smoking.
You are a very smart monkey.
Yeah, very, very, very smart monkey. And my monkeys that are smart don't smoke.
Hello, Dr. Nick. Welcome to the program.
Thank you, Alex. I'm glad to be here. I want to talk about e-cigarettes.
I heard that they help people quit smoking.
They don't. The e-cigarette liquid has a lot of nicotine in it. It has chemicals in it that cause cancer, too.
Nicotine is the only chemical I know about.
And too much nicotine is bad for young brains.
Why is nicotine bad for young brains?
Because they are still growing. Nicotine isn't good for them.
What else?
Too much nicotine can make thinking and concentrating difficult.
I see. Well, young people like the flavors of the liquid.
I know, but they're getting chemicals with the flavor.
The batteries that e-cigarettes use for power can have problems too.
Yes, they can explode. E-cigarettes are just not safe.
E-cigarettes use a battery for power.
Cigarettes that use batteries? Now that's funny.
It sounds funny, but actually, the batteries are dangerous.
Dangerous? Why?
They can explode. Boom.
Ooh. Yeah, right. Well, that's scary. Why do people use e-cigarettes?
Some people like the flavors, but the e-cigarettes have dangerous chemicals in them.
Dangerous?
Yes, people can poison themselves and not know it.
Oh,
no! What's wrong, Ginger?
Well, I don't want my friends to smoke. Smoking is so bad.
I know, but don't cry.
Okay, I won't cry.
And don't smoke.
Are you ready for today's meeting, Taylor?
Yes, Alex, but I'm not looking forward to it. Meetings are boring.
I know. Many meetings last too long. People talk too much.
Yes, but we can still be polite.
I know. We can have good manners.
I do. I listen politely, and I don't look at the time on my phone too often.
I use good manners too. I usually listen at meetings. I stay awake.
Well, you do most of the time. But you interrupt people sometimes.
I know. That's impolite. People interrupt me sometimes. I don't like that.
No one does, so Treat others well. Set a good example.
I try, but I'm not perfect.
No one is.
Ginger, do you use good manners?
Sometimes. Bleh.
Huh. Do you treat others well?
Sometimes.
Do you say please and thank you?
Sometimes.
Ginger, it's important to have good manners.
Well, I do. I have good monkey manners.
Do you respect others?
Sometimes.
Do you think about others' feelings?
Sometimes.
Remember, always be polite. Never be rude.
Yes, but,
Let others talk.
Yes, but...
Listen and don't interrupt.
Well, yeah, but...
Give friends a chance to talk.
Yes, but what if they are boring?
You can still listen politely.
Having good monkey manners isn't easy.
Now, as I was saying...
Hi, James. You don't look very happy.
I'm not, Tina. I'm mad. Some people are so rude.
What happened?
A man was in the elevator. I ran toward it. But he didn't hold the elevator for me.
So you had to wait.
Yes, he wasn't very polite.
Did you yell or anything?
No, I didn't. I kept quiet.
I met a rude person this morning too.
What happened?
I was waiting for my coffee at the coffee shop. A man bumped into me, but he didn't say excuse me.
That wasn't very polite.
And later, the same man walked right in front of me.
Did he say excuse me then?
No, he was too busy looking at his phone.
Ginger, how are your manners today?
My monkey manners are good today.
I'm glad. Good manners make me happy.
Really? Why?
Good manners show respect.
Oh, do bad manners make you mad?
Sometimes, but I still try to be polite.
When I get mad, I yell.
Ginger, yelling doesn't help.
Well, that's what monkeys do.
But yelling isn't polite.
You're saying, excuse me, polite?
Yes. When you bump into someone, say, excuse me.
Oh, okay. I'll remember that. I want to have good monkey manners.
Good. Then everyone will be happy.
Yeah, everyone but me. It's not easy.
What are you thinking about, Tina?
Tonight's dinner.
Already? It isn't even noon yet.
I'm having friends over. I want to make a nice meal.
So, what will you make?
Something with chicken. But how should I cook it? I can't decide.
There are many good ways to cook chicken. Baking is one.
I know, but my oven isn't working.
You could also fry the chicken.
Fried chicken is tasty, but you use a lot of oil to cook it.
True. Too much oil isn't healthy. How about steaming the chicken then?
Maybe,
That is healthier. So is grilling.
Yes, I like grilled meat. Maybe I'll grill the chicken.
That sounds like a great plan.
So today, I'm cooking.
But you don't know how to cook.
Well, let's see. Maybe you can help me know how.
Yes, there are many ways to cook food.
Well, I only need one way.
If you have an oven, you can bake food.
Yay! Then I can bake cakes and bread.
And meat and vegetables too.
Oh, okay.
Or you can try to fry food.
Yay! I love fried chicken. It's so delicious.
It's delicious, but fried food isn't very healthy.
Oh, that's too bad.
You can also steam or grill food.
Is that healthy?
Yes, and it's tasty too.
Okay. Hey, now I know just what to do.
What?
Order pizza. It's easier.
Okay, start the car and check your mirrors.
Hey, Alex, what are you doing? Are you driving?
Yes, I am practicing driving. I'm taking the driver's test this weekend.
You are getting your driver's license? That is exciting.
Yes, and I'm going to buy a truck after I get my license.
But driving in the city isn't easy.
Driving your own car is fun.
Maybe. I sold my car after I moved here.
Why did you sell it?
I wanted to save money. Gas is expensive. The traffic here is bad too.
But having a car is convenient.
True. You can leave the city easily with a car.
And I can buy lots of food at the supermarket.